Okay, next question. And again, I've sort of squished this down a bit. If we are involving entities in our magical practice, isn't the magic circle counterproductive? I.e., it protects us, but then it keeps entities out. This is a really, really good question. Well done to the person who asked this question. I've seen this a couple of times be asked, and I've never really heard the person answering be able to give the proper answer. So the answer is no. I'm just going to read you the question again. If we are involving entities in our magical practice, isn't the magic circle counterproductive? It protects us, but then keeps entities out. And by that, they mean helpful entities, helpful spirits. The answer is no. You are creating a sacred space. So you're creating a location. You're creating a location that isn't your living room. You're creating a location that isn't your bedroom. You're creating a sacred, revered, magical, special, energetic space. This is a focal point for the witches or magical practitioners' work. That's all it is. It holds the energetic power of the witch. So when we're doing a circle, it isn't just a circle around us, it's a dome over us and under us. And this contains our power. This means that when we build energy and we build power, we can then use it for whatever we're doing. It's not floating away. And I think what people have come to think is that it's a barrier. It's a solid barrier or a solid sort of force field around us that stops good things getting in as well as stopping bad things getting in. We create this space with intention. It's not a solid wall. It's like a semi-permeable membrane. So imagine an onion, and it's got these layers which they look solid, but they let things pass in and out. Think of a cell wall, a semi-permeable membrane. So certain things can flow through and certain things can flow out, but the cell itself is contained. It's the same with a magic circle.